Have you ever tried using homemade fertilizer on vegetables? Does it really work or does it damage your plants? Hi everyone, welcome back to JouleShare Garden Tips where I share gardening and orchid care tips. Today I'm sharing what really happened when I use simple homemade fertilizer on my vegetable plants. The results surprised me, so if you're growing vegetables at home, this video is for you. For this experiment, I used simple homemade fertilizer, which is easy to make, almost free, and safe for the environment, the compost tea. This fertilizer is rich in potassium for flowering and fruiting, nitrogen for leafy growth, and minerals for overall plant health. And the best part, it is cheap, organic, and eco-friendly. By the way, plant lovers, compost tea has been gaining popularity among gardeners lately, and for good reason. It's a liquid solution made by steeping compost in water, which helps to extract the beneficial microbes and nutrients from the compost. These microbes and nutrients can then be used to promote healthy plant growth, improve soil structure, and even help to fight against plant diseases. At the end of this video, you'll find the ingredients and the simple preparation. I applied or used this homemade fertilizer for common background vegetables like tomatoes, chili, eggplants, and pepper. These vegetables grow fast, so they are perfect for seeing results. But before applying, I made sure the soil was moist. I applied the fertilizer once a week only, and I avoided touching the leaves to prevent burning. Remember, too much fertilizer can harm vegetables. After a few days, I noticed clear changes. Leaves become greener, plants look stronger, and less yellowing or older leaves. At this point, I knew something good was happening. After more than 2 weeks, new leaves appeared, stems thickened, some plants started flowering earlier. For vegetables, this is a great sign of healthy growth. Let's be honest, homemade fertilizer isn't perfect. There are pros and cons. The pros, very affordable, eco-friendly, and gentle on plants. For the cons, results take time, slower results than chemical fertilizer. Overuse can still harm plants, and not all plants react the same. So, moderate is the key. What happened when I used homemade fertilizer on my plant? It worked when used moderately. This experience taught me that sometimes simple and natural solution can be just as effective as expensive products. The process of making compost tea is actually pretty simple. I start by filling a bucket of water, then add a few cups of mature compost. I let it steep for 1 to 2 days, stirring occasionally before straining the liquid and using it to fertilize my plants. The ingredients are easy to come by. I just use compost from my own garden or purchase it from local supplier. I also add some molasses to help feed the microbes. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to share with fellow plant lover. Thanks for watching JouleShare Garden Tips. Stay warm, stay green, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless.